Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the match lobby and checking the lineup lock time. Act quickly. Once you see the countdown, pick the backup slot and choose a substitute who realistically enters the playing Roman 11. Make sure your backup complements the original role, batter for batter, bowler for bowler, so points logic holds. You do this because Dream11 auto-substitutes only if the selected primary player is out. Set backups in advance to avoid last-minute losses and conserve your team's scoring potential. Next, you select the exact backup on the player card and use the Add Backup option. This establishes ordering if you put multiple backups. Once done, rank them by likelihood of playing. First backup will be used before second, so think through match conditions and team news. Make sure to save and look for the confirmation indicator. If you don't see it, repeat the save step. You do this because the platform follows the order you set, and correct ordering maximizes the chance of automatic replacement. To finish, reopen the lineup after final team announcements and tweak backups if playing Roman 11 change. This final check ensures your order still makes sense. Once locked, Dream11 handles substitutions automatically based on the backup order and real match participation. If a substitution doesn't occur or looks wrong, immediately capture screenshots and timestamps, then contact support citing contest rules. Provide evidence. This troubleshooting tip helps you escalate effectively and may recover lost points if the platform made an error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.